Welcome back to our channel, where we help entrepreneurs and business owners thrive in the digital world. In today's episode, we'll be sharing 5 powerful tips to help you improve your business using social media. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Define your goals. Before you start utilizing social media for your business, it's essential to have clear goals in mind. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve through social media? Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales, defining your goals will help you create an effective social media strategy. Tip number 2. Know your target audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial to reaching the right people with your social media content. Research your ideal customers' demographics, interests, and online behavior. This knowledge will guide you in crafting compelling content that resonates with your audience, resulting in higher engagement and conversions. Tip number 3. Choose the right platforms. With numerous social media platforms available, it's vital to select the ones that align with your business and target audience. Each platform has its own unique user base and features. For example, LinkedIn is great for professional networking, while Instagram focuses on visual content. By identifying the platforms where your audience spends their time, you can concentrate your efforts and resources for maximum impact. Tip number 4. Consistency is key. Social media success doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is crucial when it comes to building your online presence. Create a content calendar and stick to a regular posting schedule. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and reviews promptly. By consistently delivering valuable content and interacting with your followers, you'll build trust and credibility, strengthening your brand. Tip number 5. Analyze and adapt. Monitoring and analyzing your social media performance is essential for continual improvement. Most platforms offer insights and analytics to help you understand what's working and what isn't. Pay attention to metrics like engagement rate, reach, and conversion rates. Use this data to identify trends, optimize your strategy, and refine your content to achieve better results over time. And there you have it, 5 tips to improve your business using social media. Remember to define your goals, know your target audience, choose the right platforms, maintain consistency, and regularly analyze and adapt your strategy. By implementing these tips, you'll be well on your way to social media success and business growth. That's all for today's episode. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions or additional tips, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.